Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the BeQuiet Pure Base 500 DX in black. Wow, BGW37. That's an exceptional airflow, significant quiet device. The BeQuiet Pure Base 500DX Black is optimized for high cooling performance and designed for those who seek high airflow. High airflow intake front panel and top cover for maximum performance. 3 pure rings, 2 140mm fans guarantee high cooling performance and silent operation. ARGB LED light emitted diode at the front and inside the case. You can see that. Oh yeah. USB 3.2 Generation 2. Type C for latest hardware. Water cooling ready for radiators of up to 360 millimeters. There are up to and 2 SSDs can be installed prominently behind the window panel, and generous space for high-end graphics cards and large coolers. There is a really big cooler installed here, but that's not in the box of this device here. Generous space for high-end graphic cards. You can see it's enough space in that ring. We have a side panel made of tempered glass. Oh, that's awesome. We have a high airflow and a maximum performance device. All parts optimized for airflow and performance for all who strive for maximum performance, and especially with water-cooled systems. The Pure Base 500DX Black, with its extremely air permeability front and top cover, is the right choice. The dust filters on the front and bottom are easy to remove for cleaning because they are attached by magnets. That's really awesome. And you can see you do not have to use water cooling system. Of course, you can make a standard cooling system too, no problem for it. This rig and take everything, nearly everything. We have 3 pre-installed Pure Rings 2 with BeQuiet operation. The 3 pre-installed Pure Rings 2 fans with airflow optimized fan blades that ensure perfect airflow and cooling. Despite the compact case design, the fans at the front, top and rear are 140mm models, resulting in very quiet operation. Up to 2 140mm fans can be installed in addition, baby. That's awesome. And impressive illumination. ARGB light at the front and inside the case. Wow, this offers multiple colors and modes to individualize the look of our case from the inside as well as from the outside. We can optionally synchronize light with our motherboard or our ARGB controller. And we have a smart I/O port. State-of-the-art technology for our system. We have a new USB 3.2 Generation 2 and a Type C connector is provided on the front I/O port and allows usage of latest hardware. There is also a switch on the front panel to control the interior and exterior LEDs. And sophisticated design. Generous space for high-end hardware. The Pure Base 500DX Black provides generous dimensions to install high-end graphic cards and large, really big, huge coolers of up to 190mm in height. Fans or radiator of up to 360mm can be installed easily at the front and the top area. Also provides space for more fans of a radiator of up to 240mm. That's eye-catching features. A great cable routing possibilities. This case offers various options for installing up to 5 SSDs in total. Two can be installed for prominent viewing through the window panel. To hide any unwanted cables, the case offers excellent cable routing options. And we have a functional PSU shroud that's offering a neat interior. The PSU shroud perfectly covers the cables and the PSU. It also contains a double HDD cage with descalped mountings that reduce vibrations and help maximize the silence. The cage can also be repositioned to install a radiator up to 360mm at the front. The power supply unit can be easily installed from behind, mounted on the PSU bracket provided. And we have a tempered glass window. This is a perfect view inside our personal computer. The high quality full window side panel offers a perfect view of the components inside our personal computer case. The window is made of tinted and tempered glass with black painted sidebars. That's really nice. It is the BeQuiet awesome machine. It's a Pure Base 500DX for so much bigger performance. You have to choose the right bottom part, and out of that case root, your big, nice gaming rig can be grown. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.